Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. Cancer people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. Cancer, this is your current energy, and this is your partner's current energy. Cancer people, are you feeling heartbroken? Are you feeling heartbroken, or are you feeling dished? Or I think that some of you are feeling that your person must be with somebody else. This could be a third party situation. Somewhere, somehow, this thought is in your heart and mind that perhaps your person is, involved with somebody else. Okay, these three swords telling me that there could be a third party situation also in this relationship. Or perhaps you are feeling heartbroken, you are feeling hurt, you are feeling dished by your own person. Something is there in your life, Cancer, that's why you are feeling hurt. Okay. On the other hand, this is your partner's current energy, the Temperance. Okay. Cancer, it seems like your person is not giving attention at all to anything right now. Okay. How you are feeling, what you are going through, what you are thinking about them, they are not giving this thing a second thought. Okay, they don't even care about it, because it seems like your person is busy into their own energies, into their own life, into their own work. And I'm not seeing any third party situation here, because I feel that your person is going through some kind of a transformation in their life. All right, or perhaps they are somebody who is focusing towards their own personal issues, which they cannot, or they don't want to share it with you. Or it could also happen, Cancer, that your person must be going through some changes, or perhaps they want to start something new, or they want to take some action towards something, or they want to expand their financial, or they want to take some action towards their finances, towards their career, towards their goals, something like that. So they are completely involved in that particular thing. And see, it's like you, the sun is like you. Okay, you are there in their life. They know that you are there. Okay, but still they know that you are just behind their back. You support them with, the best possible way, the way you can do. Okay, they know that you are there with them, but it seems like it's not that they are ignoring you, but that they don't want to give that attention to you at this point of time, because they are going through their own things right now in life. Perhaps they are not talking to you on this particular topic, but yes, something is there in their life. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy between Cancer and their person. Okay, conditioning. All right, so the mutual, okay, I have got two cards. Okay, no worries. So Cancer, if I talk about this card, conditioning, it seems like your person is somebody who has the courage, who has the will, who has everything in life, but it seems like they are somebody who is somebody has tied them up. Okay, they are this tiger, and all the lambs or all the sheep are somebody who are around them. Okay, even though they know their capabilities, even though they know their potential, but somehow they have their own commitments in their personal life, in their professional life, commitments towards their family, commitments towards their work, commitment towards their friends and all that. Okay, so it's not that they don't like you, they don't miss you, or they don't have any feelings for you, but the thing is that their energies surrounding them are very, very manipulating. All right, they have made them understand that they are nothing. Okay, they don't have that potential to move ahead in life, and somewhere, somehow, they feel frustrated about this. All right, on the other hand, we have this card, Innocence card. It seems like it's you who is very, very, very innocent, Cancer people. Okay, you are somebody who can trust anybody, or who trusts anyone. Okay, It's not that if you are trusting your person then you are wrong, okay? It's completely fine, but somewhere somehow you get you get a chance to meet some people who tries to manipulate your mind. All right, so somewhere you feel that, okay, if this person is saying this thing, so he must be okay, he must be my well wisher, or she must be my well wisher, because you are so innocent that you blindly trust anyone. This is not the good thing, Cancer people. You need to work on this thing. All right, now I am going to pull 3 cards for you to check what your person thinks about you, or how they see you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they will be taking towards you in future. Harmony, okay. Maturity, oh, okay. Your person sees you with this harmony card, that you are somebody who is very mature, okay, who knows how to balance things, who know how to balance emotion, who knows how to balance family and personal life and professional life, okay? So for them you are somebody who is very very wise person. All right, so they always look up to you, whether they are going through some tough time, or whether they need some kind of guidance or some kind of advice. All right, the maturity card says to me that the action your person is taking towards you is, it will take time, because this person is going through some transformation. I told you that this person is going through some transition, some transformation, or this person is completely involved in their own life, in their own deeds. All right, so with this maturity card I feel that your person is being somebody who is gaining knowledge, okay? I think this is the process for them to get mature in life. All right, and future is definitely bright for you, Cancer people, because with the celebration card I can see that soon you are going to meet with this person, soon this person is going to meet you, soon this person is going to talk to you about their emotions. Something is going to happen between you and them. All right, and your reunion is going to be wonderful for you. This will be the best event of your life, and I'm seeing that both of you are going to celebrate that moment. All right, okay, so Cancer people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign with this 3 of swords. We have Sagittarius in this reading with this Temperance card. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, earth sign in this reading. All right, so Cancer people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.